Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, today we are going to be making cake buns, Nigerian buns, but with a twist, with a different, very yummy and delicious. This is called buns. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. Here are all my ingredients. I have flour, water, flavor, that is vanilla flavor. I have nutmeg here, salt and baking powder, butter, powdered milk, sugar and 2 eggs. So I'll be leaving all the measurements in my description box. So here I'm going to be mixing all the dry ingredients together. Then I'll crack in my 2 eggs inside this bowl and whisk them together. Here I'm going to be adding in my butter. Like I said, this is cake buns, French buns, whatever way you want to call it. So I'm going to be making this, since we call it cake buns, we're going to be making it as if we are making cake. So I'll cream my butter a little bit, then add in the sugar and cream the both of them together until it's changing color. So I'll mix them together until it turns a little bit white. Can you see that the color have changed? Can see that the color have changed. I'll add in my whisk egg. Then I'll mix that together too. So when that is well mixed, I'm going to be mixing my powdered milk with my water to form a whole milk. That is 1.5 cup. Like I said, I'll be leaving all the measurements and the ingredients in my description box. Do well to check it out. I'll mix it until the milk dissolves inside the water. This is called milk buns, French buns, cake buns. This buns is so delicious. I'll be adding in half teaspoon of flavor. This flavor is so strong, that is why I'm adding half teaspoon. But if you are using all those other small, you can use 1 teaspoon. So now I'll be alternating the dry ingredients with the milk. So like we call it cake bun, so we have to mix it in a cake way, right? So when you add your flour, you add in milk and mix. We are alternating the both of them so that everything can be well mixed without having any lumps. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please do well to subscribe, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that like button. So now I'm adding in the remaining flour. So I'll add in the remaining milk. Then I'll mix it very well until everything is well incorporated. So I try to use my spatula to scrape all the side. But this spatula decided to disgrace me today. It removed from the stick. Anyway, we move. You can see how stretchy it is. You have to make yours stretchy this way. So I already heated my oil. See, it's very hot now. When your oil is very hot, you reduce your flame to medium heat so that it can burn through very well. So I'll start cutting. You can cut this way or you use the scoping method. The way you fry your puff. See the way I'm bringing it out through my thumbs. That's it. So guys, this is so easy to make. The buns is so yummy, very soft, delicious. You can have this with your hot chocolate, your zobo, or any juice of your choice. But I bet you are going to enjoy it. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification. To our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always watching my video. Thank you for always clicking on that video whenever it pops up. I really appreciate you all. You guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. Hit that like button, guys. Share this video. And here we are done. You can see how round it is. Very beautiful and delicious. So guys, thank you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye.